Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get S gear and Archero 2. If you're looking for S tier gear in Archero 2, there are a few main ways to get it. The most reliable option is the shop, specifically the gear chest marked with an S. If you're aiming for a particular set, go for the Jumpstone chest, though it rotates over time. For a wider selection, the chromatic chest is your best bet, since after 50 openings, you're granted an S tier piece. Beyond the shop, you can also earn S tier gear through special events, such as festival weeks, where rare equipment is offered as rewards. Another method is advanced fusion, where you can combine gear into S tier if you have enough materials, though it can be challenging. Overall, focus on a gear chest, events, and fusion to steadily build your collection of powerful S tier equipment. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.